Welcome guys. Okay, so this is the Leetcode solving section 1486. So very stupid question. Somebody give you an integer and you have a start, and so your number I just the start plus 2i. So basically this is the arithmetic progressions. Okay, and the difference is 2. Okay, you can show it because the I plus 2i plus 2 minus 2i is 2. Okay, and then you return the build XOR of all these elements. Okay, so I first initialize to object called start, and for I in range 1 to n, I first create plus 2. So this you can view the A is just this 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and in this case is 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is A. And what is the B? B just start from the starts and keep doing the XOR. So B just equal to B XOR A. B just equal to B XOR A, and then finally you return this B. Okay, so this is the 2 loop and faster than 100%. So so this is the, and for the complexity view, I think this is the most is the fastest way because we only scan the linear time, and I guess this is the fastest way. Although unless there are some miracle identity of the XOR of arithmetic progressions, but I don't know any kind of such identities. Okay, so if you do know some strange identities, please leave a comment below, and I will see you guys in the next videos.